City of Milwaukee is experiencing some growth and lots of new exciting things are coming in the next few years. Let's check out what some of these things might be in today's video. Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Moving to Milwaukee channel. We are about halfway through 2025. There are a number of renovations and additions in the greater Milwaukee area in the coming years that are in the works. And it's going to create a lot of exciting growth for the community, from sports to recreation. There's plenty of things that's just making our community just pop. And I want to talk about it in today's video. So with that said, let's waste no time and get right into it because I got a lot of things to cover. To start off, one amazing addition that is coming to the city of Milwaukee is the new Iron District. Amongst us in the center is the new stadium that is forging ahead, pun intended. The stadium is going to seat up to 8,000 people and will usher in a new era of soccer for Milwaukee, Wisconsin, as it'll be a soon to be named USL Soccer Championship Club. Once completed, it'll be set to join the second division of US Soccer for the upcoming 2026 season. And even aside from pro soccer, it's also going to serve as a base for men's and women's soccer at the local Marquette University. And even aside from that, there are plans for a hotel underway, as well as some apartments, some shopping centers, and a private venue. And by the way, my name is William Loos, the local Milwaukee real estate agent. If you're looking forward to all of these amazing additions in our community and want to experience them for yourself and looking to make a move in the near future, reach out to me today. Let's have a chat about your housing goals and how I can help you make that move. My contact info is on the screen.